If your phone is low or hangs sometimes, here are steps on how to make your phone run faster and smoother without installing any external apps. Tap the like button so more people can see this tip and subscribe for more phone tricks like this. First, open Settings. Scroll down to About Phone or About Device. Then look for Build Number. This is basically your phone's software ID. It tells the system exactly which version of Android you're running. Tap the build number 7 times quickly. You'll see a pop-up asking for your phone password or PIN, then a message saying you are now a developer. That just means you've unlocked extra settings. It doesn't actually change anything until you adjust them. If this is helpful so far, hit the subscribe button so you never miss my tech hacks. Once you've unlocked developer options, go back to your phone's main settings page. Now, scroll down and you should see a new menu called Developer Options. Open it. Scroll slowly until you find 3 settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. These control how long your phone spends on visual effects when opening apps, switching screens, or running animations. By default, they're usually set to 1.x. To make your phone feel much faster, change each one to 0.5x. This makes animations twice as fast, so your phone will feel more responsive. If you want maximum speed, you can even set them to off, but 0.5x keeps it smooth while still being quicker. Trust me, you'll notice the difference immediately. If this tip worked for you, like this video and subscribe, and drop a comment with your phone model so I can share a custom speed tip for you.